Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. So on that note, let's start this video. So this is week 5 programming assignment of the Joy of Computing using Python course. So guys, please watch the video till the end, because if I make any changes to the code or if I explain anything, you can be able to understand only if you watch till the end. So do watch the full video. And moving to the first question, write write a Python program that finds the GCD of the two numbers, greatest common divisor. So first I will show you the code and later I will execute it. Guys, this is the first question code. There is no need to write this comment because I have given this comment for your understanding purpose only. Here we are importing math function. So we are reading the two variables n1 and n2, and we are using the direct function math.gcd. It will gives the GCD of uh, the inputs that we have given in the as arguments. So it will print the GCD of n1 and n2. Why we have given this n means in order to avoid the presentation error. In some codes we have got presentation errors, so nothing to worry about that, but in order to avoid that we can use the end function. So hope you have noted this down. Guys, you can please pause the video here itself and you can take screenshot, or you can note this. So now I am going to copy this code. So no need to write this one. I am clearing this. Only these 4 lines are enough. So now I am going to show you the execution. So I am pasting it here. I will again zoom this for you. So this is the code. So now let's see the execution. I am zooming back. Click on compile and run button for testing the public test cases. So if you can see here, the public test cases, there are 4 public test cases, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Everything is passed. You can see the status here, first one, second one, third and also the fourth one. Every test case is passed, even there is no presentation error. And moving on to the submission, so here we can know the private test cases status. So there are again 4 private test cases here also, and all the status are passed. So our solution is 100% correct. So let's move on to the second question, second programming assignment. Guys, I have already made a video on quiz assessment. You can go through that. So let's see the second programming question. So the week 5 programming assignment, this is second question. So they are asking to write a Python program that calculates the dot product of two lists containing the same number of elements. That means here I will just explain you something. Here they gave length of two lists are same, so it means length of list 1 should be is equal to length of list 2. So they gave here like that, and we have to product the two lists L1 into L2. I mean the dot product L1 dot L2. So and the final resulting list should be printed. So here I will show you the code now. So this is first question code, and I will show you the second one now. So guys, this is the second question code. I'm taking the list L1 L1 as list 1 here, variable name, and I'm reading the second list. So I am defining a function called dp. dp means dot product with arguments as list1 and list2. It should take the two lists that we have read before, which we have given the input. So it should return the dot product. So this entire uh, statement will give you the dot product. So I am storing this dot product of the two lists in the res, it means result variable. I am going to print that result variable. So again I have given the end. Here end will remove the presentation error. So I am going to copy this. Guys, you can note it down here itself, and don't forget to give the indentation, because here there is indentation. That means I have given space. It should be defined under the dp function. The return statement should be defined under dp function, and everything will be parallel to the dp function only, except the return function. So I have copied this. Hope you have also noted it down. So let's see the execution. So here I am going to paste it and zoom this for you. So this is the code. So I am zooming this back. Guys, you can pause the video here itself and note it down. So I am going to zoom it back now. So let's see the execution. Here if you see this public test cases 4x4 passed, and every test case is passed. Let's see the private test cases by clicking on submit button. So again here also we have 4 private test cases and everything is passed. So our solution is 100% correct. So let's move on to the final programming assignment, that is third one. So this is third programming assignment. Here we should write a Python function. First we have to read the string s as the input, and we should return the length of largest streak of zeros. If you see here, there are largest streak of 3, here also 3, but here we have 3, 3, 6 and 9. So like that we have to print the largest streak of zeros. So let's see now. Guys, here actually in the question itself they have made a mistake, because here there are streak of 9 zeros, but they gave 6. Don't consider this. Here instead of 6 there should be 9. They gave the question itself wrong, but here they gave correct. Here there is only one streak of 0 everywhere, so it is correct. Like this, here they gave correct, but here they mentioned wrong. So let's see the code for this. This is the second question code. I will show you the third one now. So guys, this is the third question code. So copy this from here to here. Guys, you can pause the video here itself and note it down or take screenshot. So without any late, let us execute this. So I am pasting it here and click on compile and run button to test public test cases. So here again there are 4 test cases and every one is status passed. And let's see the submission to check private test cases. Here again there are 4 private test cases. Everything is passed. I mean every test case is passed. So our solution is 100% correct. So friends, these are the solutions for week 5 Joy of Computing using Python course programming assignment. I have also made a video on quiz assessment. You can also refer to that. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. So for further more videos, keep supporting our channel. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.